In this video, I'll show you how to make money on TikTok. The first way is the TikTok Creator Rewards Program. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You earn money based on your video views, and the reported rate is around 40 cents to $1 per thousand views. To maximize earnings, make sure your videos are original, high quality, and longer than 1 minute. The second way is TikTok Shop Affiliate. This is one of the best ways to earn on TikTok right now. If you're in the US, you can apply with just 1,000 followers. You tag products directly in your videos and earn a commission between 5 and 20% every time someone buys through your video. One single viral video can drive thousands of dollars in sales. The third way is TikTok Live and Gifts. You need at least 1,000 followers, and you must be 18 or older to go live. During your live sessions, viewers can send you virtual gifts which convert into diamonds. Every 1,000 diamonds is worth approximately $5 in cash that you can withdraw. The fourth way is brand deals. Once you've built an audience, brands will pay you to promote their products. Use the TikTok Creator Marketplace to get discovered by brands looking for creators. The fifth way is affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos or bio and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. The most successful creators on TikTok combine all of these methods together instead of relying on just one. That is how you do it.